Very good morning, everyone. I am currently communicating with you directly from Horambava polling booth in Puliapitiya election division in Kurunegala district. So from this morning, we can see voters are very active to traveling the polling booth to use this votes for the 2025 provincial council election in Sri Lanka. So there are about 10 divisions and 34 polling booths in the areas under the Puliapitiya East Divisional Secretary. That Kurunegala election office says that the number of votes in Puliapitiya East Divisional Secretary area 46,004. It can be observed the public has under the voters are rating about 20 percentage since this morning. Furthermore, it can be seen that the election officers, officials and the federal organization officers are included the duties. At the present, I would like to mention no unwanted incident has been reported in this area, and we can see that is the peaceful election in this area. Furthermore, three forces and police officers are seen in the security to protect the polling booths. Stay connected with News First as we are ready to provide you with the immediate news to get the first and fast. I am Faslan, currently connected with you from Kurunegala, Puliapitiya, Horambava polling booth area. Thank you.